Every uncalled lead is a job walking straight to your competitor. Most painting companies aren't losing business because of bad marketing. They're losing business because leads come in and nobody follows up fast enough. A missed call, a slow text back, a lead that sits for 2 days or more, that's it. They've already hired someone else. You've lost your chance. Think about it. If you're spending money to generate leads and then letting even 20% go uncalled, that's throwing away real revenue every single month. That's thousands of dollars in painting jobs gone before you even had a chance to quote them. You're doing your business a huge disservice. So if you want to stop leaking money, fix your follow-up process today. Call every lead within 5 minutes or text them if they don't pick up, and never let a name sit in your inbox overnight. Your next job is one fast response away.